While watching bullish price actions, let us inform you. Our review on WTF. Waton Financial Ltd. just delivered an absolutely explosive market debut, pricing its IPO at $4 per share to raise $17.5 million, which seemed like a routine offering at first. But what happened next? The stock skyrocketed nearly 400%, hitting a high close to $28, over 500% from its IPO low, one of the wildest first-day moves in recent memory. Traders and investors alike are now scrambling to understand what's driving this massive surge and whether it has real staying power. At its core, Waton Financial operates through Waton Securities International Ltd, WSI, and Waton Technology International Limited, WTI. WSI provides brokerage services, while WTI focuses on software licensing and support. It's a fairly standard financial services play. So why the insane price action? A combination of low float, speculative trading, and strong demand for fintech-adjacent companies likely played a role. With only $17.5 million raised, the number of available shares was limited, making it easier for buyers to drive the price higher. This is classic low-float IPO volatility, where even moderate demand can send prices soaring. Another angle is the China-based fintech exposure. Investors looking for a high-growth brokerage and financial technology play in Asia may have seen an opportunity, especially as global markets remain hungry for new fintech-driven business models. But let's be clear, moves this extreme often suggest momentum trading rather than fundamentals. When a stock launches with 500% intraday gains, it's usually driven by traders chasing quick profits rather than long-term investment theses. Now, the big question, is this just a short-term frenzy, or can Waton sustain its valuation? Historically, IPOs that spike this dramatically often experience a sharp pullback once the initial excitement fades. If institutional investors weren't heavily involved in the IPO, it's likely that retail-driven momentum is fueling the run-up, which means extreme volatility ahead. For those considering Waton as a long-term investment, key areas to watch include how the company uses its IPO funds, whether for aggressive growth, acquisitions, or tech development, the sustainability of its revenue streams. Can it scale its brokerage and software businesses meaningfully? Regulatory risks, especially for Chinese-based financial firms navigating global market rules. Right now, the stock is riding a wave of speculation, but how long it holds these levels depends on whether Waton can back up the hype with real execution. If it delivers strong earnings and meaningful expansion, there's a case for long-term growth. But if this is purely a momentum-fueled rally, a steep drop could be coming soon. Either way, this is shaping up to be one of the most dramatic IPO stories of the year, and all eyes will be on what happens next. Please subscribe, give the video a like, and watch more from our playlist. Thanks.